Do you want to make your note more organized and visually appealing? Samsung Note lets you customize its note with a personalized cover using text, illustration, or pattern. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Then open any note. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Note Style. Then tap Add Cover. Here, you can choose from three cover types. The first is text. You can tap Suggest New Cover to let Samsung Note automatically suggest a cover for your note. You can also customize the cover by changing its color, selecting a different style, and adding or removing sticker. Next is illustration. Choose one of the available illustrations to give your note a unique look. Finally, there's pattern. Select one of the built-in pattern for a clean and simple cover design. For this example, let's choose the text cover because it's a great option for important notes that you want to recognize quickly. As you make changes, Samsung Note shows a live preview so you can see how your cover will look. Once you are happy with your design, tap Apply. Tap the package. Your note will now have its new customized cover. And that's how you customize note cover on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.